Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in Shopify. This is particularly useful when you're cleaning up unused templates or removing outdated page designs from your store. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct store if you manage multiple shops. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify homepage. Look over to the left side panel where you'll see various menu options. Click on Online Store to expand the section. Directly underneath Online Store, you'll notice Themes. Go ahead and click on Themes. This area is where you manage all the visual aspects of your store, including any custom templates you've created. Now, you'll see all your themes displayed on your screen. These represent the different designs available for your store. To proceed, click on Edit Theme. This button opens up the theme editor where you can make modifications to your store's appearance and structure. At the top of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Homepage. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, select Pages. This takes you to the section where all your custom page templates are stored. For this example, let's say I want to delete a template called Sample. To access the template files directly, look to the left side of the screen and click on the three dots. This will open a small menu with additional options. From here, click on Edit Code. This is where the actual template files live within your theme structure. Clicking Edit Code will direct you to a new tab in your browser. This is the code editor where you can view and modify all the files that make up your theme. On the left side panel, you'll see a list of folders. Click on Templates to expand this section. Here you'll find all the template files associated with your theme. Scroll through the list until you find the template you want to delete. In my example, it's called page.sample.json. Click on this file to select it. Once it's selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this file. Click Delete to confirm, and the template will be permanently removed from your theme. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an unwanted template from your Shopify store, helping keep your theme files organized and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.